Next question is 31. Solve 454.58 minus 376.89 plus 121.45 minus 95.42 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question is 454.58 minus 376.89 plus 121.45 minus 95.42 equal to sign of interrogation. First, we add positive number, that is 454.58 plus 121.45, that is 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, and negative number, that is 376.89, 95.42, and their sum is 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17, 1 carry, 4. That is negative number. Sum of negative number is 472.31 and sum of positive number is 576.03, and their subtraction is 576.03 minus 472.31, that is 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 7 minus 7 equal to 0, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Answer 103.72. Answer. Given question is 454.58 minus 376.89 plus 121.45 minus 95.42. First, we are adding positive number, that is 454.58 plus 121.45. Point are in same direction, so their sum is 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 4 plus 1 is 5. That is sum of positive number, and sum of negative number, that is 376.89 and 95.42, and their sum is equal to 9 plus 2, 11, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 carry, 4. That is minus 472.31, and their subtraction equal to 3. Positive number is 576.03, negative number is 472.31, and we are subtracting 3 minus 1, 2, 10, minus 3, 7, 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. So we get the result 103.72. Answer. Next question is 32. Solve 28.314 minus 31.427 plus 113.928 equal to sign of interrogation plus 29.114. 28.314 minus 31.427 plus 113.928 equal to sign of interrogation plus 29.114. First of all, we are shifting 29.114 in left side. 28.314 minus 31.427 plus 113.928 as it is, and this number will be negative 29.114 equal to sign of interrogation. Positive number, first of all we are adding positive number, that is 28.314 and 113.928, and their sum is 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry 4, 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry 8 plus 1 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry 4 1. Positive sum of positive number is 142.242, and sum of negative number, that is minus 31.427 minus 29.114. 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 4, 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 1 10, 5 plus 1 6, negative number, and 142.242 minus negative number is 60.541. 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, 12 minus 5 7, and that is 1. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, and we get 81.701 answer. Given question is 28.314 minus 31.427 plus 113.928 equal to sign of interrogation plus 28.114. First of all, we are shifting constant number in left side, positive, this will be negative, and we are adding positive number, that is 28.314 and 113.928, and their sum is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 9 plus 3 12, and 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, and 1 as it is. 142.242, it's sum of positive number, and sum of negative number we get minus 60.541, it's sum of negative number, and we are subtracting positive and negative, so we get 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, 12 minus 5 is 7.12, this will be 1, and 11 1 as it is. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, so we get the answer 81.701 answer. Next question 33. Solve 750.46 plus 114.09 minus 840.04 equal to sign of interrogation minus 13.09. 750.46 plus 140.09 minus 840 plus 0.04 equal to sign of interrogation minus 13.09. First we are shifting minus 13.09 left side, then this will be positive, and 750.46 as it is plus 114.90 as it is minus 840.04 as it is, and this will be positive 13.09. Negative, this sign will be positive, sign of interrogation as it is. Now we are adding positive number, that is positive number is 750.46 114.09 second and 13.09 third. 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 6 24, 2 carry, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. It's sum of positive number, and sum of negative, that is minus 840.04. Negative number is only 1, so we are subtracting 877.64 minus 840.04. 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. 6 as it is, 7 as it is, and 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we get answer is 37.60. Given question is 750.46 plus 114.09 minus 840.04 equal to sign of interrogation minus 13.09. First we are shifting 13.09 in left side, negative sign will be positive, and we are adding positive 3 numbers, that is 750.461, 114.09 second number, and third number is 13.09, and sum of 3 numbers is 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 plus 9 24, 2 carry, 4 plus 2 is 6 point, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. It's sum of positive number and negative number only one, that is minus 840.04. Finally, we are subtracting positive and negative, so we get 877.64 minus 840.04. That is 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, 7 minus 4 equal to 3, so 8 minus 8, that is 0. So we get 37.60 answer. Next question 34. Solve 35 raised to power 3 divide 70 multiply 12 bracket close divide 25 equal to 58.8 into sign of interrogation. 35 raised to power 3 divide 70 into 12 divided by 25 equal to 58.8 into sign of interrogation. First we are solving 35 into 35 into 35. We are solving divided by 70 into 12 divided by 25 equal to 58.8 sign of interrogation. 35 2s are 70 and 2 6 are 12. So we get 35 into 35 into 6 and divided by 25, that is upon, equal to 58.8 sign of interrogation multiply by, and 35 into 6 divided by 25 into 58.8, that is 588, and point convert in 10, that is equal to sign of interrogation. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5, and 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7, 8 sevens are 56, and 58 minus 56, that is equal to 2, so 28. 28 divided by 7, 7 fours are 28, and 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 12 sevens are 84, 6 ones are 6, and 6 twos are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So sign of interrogation, that is equal to 5. So we get the value of sign of interrogation, that is 5. Answer. Given question is 35 raised to power 3 cube divided by 70 multiplied by 12 closed interval big bracket divided by 25 equal to 58.8 multiplied by sign of interrogation, and we find the value of sign of interrogation. 35, we can write 35 into 35 into 35 raised to power 3. We are multiplying 3 times and divided by 70. Divided by 70, 35 ones are 35 and 35 twos are 70. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So we get 35 into 6 in bracket, and this bracket is divided by 25. So 35 into 6 divided by 25, and equal to 58.8 sign of interrogation. 58.8 divided by left, then we get 35 into 6 into 10 upon 25 into 588. Point convert in 10. Point is 1, and 1 place, that will be 10, and 5 fives are 25, 7 fives are 35, and 7 ones are 7. 7 divided by 588. 588 divided by 7, that is 7 8s are 56. So 2 28, 7 4s are 28, which is completely divisible by 84. 7 1s are 7, and 84 7s are 588. Once again, we are dividing 84 by 7. 7 1s are 7, and 12 4s are 84. And 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 2 ones are 2, and 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So we get the sign of interrogation equal to 5. Answer. Next question 35. Solve 48 divide 7.5 multiply 84.5 divide 20 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question is 48 divided by 7.5 multiply by 84.5 divide 20 equal to sign of interrogation. First 48 divided by 7.5 into 84.5 divided by 20 equal to sign of interrogation. So 48 multiplied by 10, point convert, point is 1 and 1 place point, that will be 10. 75 divide, and 845 divided by 20 into 10, point convert in 10. 10 is cancelled, and 25 5s are 75, 15 5s are 75 and 5 1s are 5, 34, 5 6 are 30, 45, 5 9s are 45, and 5 3 5s are 15, 16 3s are 48. 48 divided by 3, 16 3s are 48, and 15 5 3s are 15. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. 169 multiplied by 4, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 6 4s are 20, 4 plus 3, 27, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. 676 divided by 25. 676 divided by 25. 25 2s are 50. 7 1 and 6. 25 7s are 175 and 1.000 4s are 100. So we get sign of interrogation equal to 27.04. Answer. Given question, 48 divided by 7.5 into 84.5 divided by 20 equal to sign of interrogation. 48 divided by 7.5 into 84.5 divided by 20 equal to sign of interrogation. Point convert in 10. Point 1 place, that is 5, 1 0, 1 into 10, that is equal to 10. 15 5s are 75 and 169 5s are 845, and 15 divided by 3, 5 3s are 15, 16 3s are 48, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 10 10 is cancelled. So we get 169 multiplied by 4 equal to 676 divided by 5 5s are 25. We are dividing 676 by 25, 25 2s are 50, then we get 17 and 6, that is 176. 25 7s are 175. 0.010 once again, then this will be 100, and 25 divided by 100, 25 4s are 100, and we get sign of interrogation equal to 27.04. Answer. Thank you so much.